Hello everybody. Today we are going to discuss about warm compress. So warm compress of the eyes is the application of heat on the closed eyes, that is on the eyelids. It helps in improving the blood circulation of the eyelids. It helps in unclogging the oil glands which are blocked, and it also gives a lot of soothing effect in some cases where the eyes are inflamed, especially the eyelid inflammation, and also gives a lot of soothing effect in dry eyes. Now, some of the common eye conditions in which the doctors advise this is meibomian gland disease, where the ducts get blocked, then eyelid inflammations like styes, dry eyes because it gives a lot of soothing effect, and blepharitis. Now, in this video, we will be showing you 3 easy techniques of doing this warm compress at home. And one thing to remember is that never have a direct application of heat on the eyelids. Always test it over the back of your hand and then keep the heat on the eyelids, because the eyelid skin is pretty delicate and it shouldn't cause any skin burns. So for the safety, always do it first on your hands. Thank you so much.
In the first method, warm compression using cotton will be shown. You will need cotton. In this clip, we've shown a pack of sterilized cotton, but you can use clean cotton as well. You will also need a pan of clean water. All you need to do is take your cotton balls and drop it into the water one by one. Make sure that the cotton is covered in water completely. Now heat the pan and bring the water to a boil. Your cotton balls which have absorbed water will also begin to heat up. Once the water boils, take it off the heat and take out the cotton balls. Squeeze the cotton ball, removing all water from it, and tap it on the back of your hand so that you can make sure that it's not too hot. Take that cotton ball and place it on the part of your eye which is dry, infected, or requires warm compression. Gently dab it. Once the cotton ball being used has lost its heat, simply put it back into the warm water. Take another cotton ball and check the heat once again before using. Use the cotton ball the same way that you used the first. When you're done with this one and you put it back into the pan, the first one would have warmed up again. The second method for warm compression is using rock salt. You are going to need some rock salt. Rock salt is pretty easy to find, and it comes as thick chunks of salt. You will also need a handkerchief. Any handkerchief will do. Take a pan and put the rock salt into it. You don't need too much rock salt, just enough for it to cover the eye. You'll see what I'm talking about soon. Once you've filled up your pan with the rock salt, put the pan on heat. Rock salt heats up pretty fast, so you don't have to keep it on the heat for too long. Once you're done, take your handkerchief and spread it out. Take your rock salt and put it in the center of your handkerchief. Now, fold all 4 edges together. This is so that you can apply the heat from the rock salt on your eye, but not directly. The cloth will be there to protect. Once again, check the heat before putting it on your eye. You just have to apply it on the part that requires warm compression, just like with the cotton. In this case, you don't have to keep replacing the rock salt. The rock salt stays warm for longer. The final method is by using a gel pack. For this, you're going to need a gel pack along with a handkerchief. Microwave the gel pack for a minute and then cover it with your handkerchief. You don't want to apply the heat directly onto your eye. Then take this and gently press your eye. These are the 3 methods for warm compression. They're all pretty simple and can be done at home.